Introducing the next generation of support from PCGiT. Access all of your IT support information from one interface right inside of Microsoft Teams. While you can still contact us through all of the usual methods, PCG Chat has been designed to solve your problems faster. Even if you submit a problem after business hours, the AI assistive chat will try to gather any necessary info and even comb through our existing knowledge base while you wait. If you still need assistance, our team of technicians should have all of the necessary information to solve your problem faster. Sick of playing phone tag? Use chat to get updates, request escalation, or schedule an appointment. Whether you open your support ticket via phone call, email, or chat thread, you always have the status and updates right at your fingertips. While you're there, check out the Client Portal tab for knowledge-based articles, quick start guides, and courses. If you are the designated admin, you'll even see information about your managed devices, Microsoft licensing, billing, and open or upcoming projects. If you want to learn more about how you too can bring this experience to your company, send us a message or give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.